Reggae Boyz vs Panama tonight. Who will win?
My heart is with Reggae Boyz, but Panama is a stronger team.
I don't understand football, but Panama can't beat Reggae Boyz no day. Brap brap. Which winter? Which summer?
Guatemala more than likely will beat Guadeloupe, and Panama more than likely beat Reggae Boyz. The odds and form charts do tilt in that direction. Guatemala has a 48.9% win probability against Guadeloupe, who are already eliminated after 2 losses and have conceded 7 goals in just 2 matches. Meanwhile, Panama enters the clash with Jamaica boasting a perfect record and a 42.9% win probability compared to Jamaica's 28.9%. But here's the twist. Football has a way of flipping the script when the stakes are highest. The Reggae Boyz have been inconsistent, yes, but they've also shown flashes of brilliance. And Guadeloupe, with nothing to lose, might just play with the kind of freedom that throws Guatemala off balance. Come trim my team, black, green, and gold.